Welcome students, and this is your first class of GK Viz, and I'm going to take your first class today. So today I will start with chapter number 9, and this chapter is somehow related with your English also. In your English book already you have learned collective nouns, right? So whenever you have learned collective nouns, group of birds have been told flock of birds, right? But any time did you imagine that what when we are talking about a particular type of birds? So today we are going to learn very unusual and very interesting names of some particular types of group of birds. Okay, so like if I tell you that here group of birds have some interesting and unusual names, so some pictures have been given over here and we have to match these pictures to relate the name of these nouns. Okay, relate the nouns of this particular group of birds. So the first one we are having a picture of parliament. So when there are lots of owls sitting together, we say it's a parliament of owls. So the first one will be page number 9, and here comes the first one, that is a parliament of owls. Okay, so lots of owls or group of owls together are known as parliament of owls. Now goes for the second one. And what about group of swans? What about group of swans? So obviously we are having a picture of cricket team. So yes, you guessed correctly, it's a team of swan. It's a team of swan. Next goes a dash of penguin. A dash of penguins. So it's a parcel of penguin. So it comes parcel of penguin. Next comes a dash of pigeon. A dash of pigeon. So flight of pigeons. What it is going on? Flight of pigeons. So it's flight of pigeons. Okay, so now number 5, let's go for the number 5, and it's dash of poultry, where small hens are being kept, and it's dash of poultry. So it is run of poultry. What it is? It's run of poultry. And number 6, what comes? That is dash of ducks and dash of ducks. And we can see the picture. It is raft. It's raft of ducks. Next is a dash of peasants. And number 7 comes a dash of peasants. And did you guess the correct answer? Yes, it's a bouquet of flower, and similarly it's the bouquet of peasants. So let us write down bouquet of peasants. Next comes number 8, and number 8 will be dash of hawks, and we are getting a picture of kettle. Yes, so dash of hawks, and it's kettle of hawks. Next comes number 9, and here is number 9, a dash of hoofs, a dash of rooks, and it is building. Yes, it's building of rooks. So here is the number 9. Now we will go back to, I hope all of you have completed this part, and I am going to rub first and second. It's number 10, and number 10 is dash of nightingales, a dash of nightingales. And the picture of watch is given. Exactly, it should be watch, a watch of nightingales. And number 11, a dash of herons. And here comes hedge. You can see the picture of hedge. So this is a hedge of herons. And next is number 12. Number 12, and it's a dash of falcons, and it's cast of falcons. So these are the group, or these are the particular noun used for these particular types of birds. So I am coming with the next part, so you get ready with your next page. So now it comes to the next page, that is page number 10, and your chapter is Earth Extremes. So here the earth extremes means the deepest part, the highest part, the hottest part, and the coldest part, which are the extreme parts of the earth on the map. So let us find out the earth extremes, and this is your chapter name. Here comes, and I am going to write the answers according to the sequence. So let us start. Challenger Deep, the deepest point on earth, is located within the dash. So here we are having one help box, and in that help box we are having some options, and here questions are 10, but you will be having options 12. So you have to find out from this, among these 12 answers, which is the correct one. So Challenger Deeper, the deepest point of the earth, is located within the Marianas Trench. The first answer is Mariana Trench. So all of you write down, it's Mariana Trench. Number 2, with a surface area of more than 370,000 square kilometer, dash is the world's largest lake. Can you tell me which is the world's largest lake? Yes, it's Caspian Sea. So number 2 is Caspian Sea. Number 3 comes the hottest natural temperature of 56.7 degrees Celsius was recorded on 10th July in 1913 at which valley? Yes, it is Death Valley. That's why it is said Death Valley, because it is so hot that a human life is impossible to survive over there. Okay, so it's Death Valley. It's Death Valley. Okay, so next part, situated more than 1700 kilometers away from the nearest land mass, Dash Bouvet Island is considered to be the remotest place on earth. Yes, it is Antarctica. Number 4 is Antarctica. So, it's Antarctica continent. And next is number 5, with discharges of about 209,000 cubic meter of water every second, is the largest river of the world. Which is the largest river of the world? Amazon. Yes. So, it's Amazon. Number 6 comes, covering an area of 972,000 square kilometer, National Park is the largest and most northerly one in the world. Yes, it is Northeast Greenland. So, it's Northeast Greenland. Next, number 7. In 2010, the temperature near Dash Antarctica dipped to minus 93.0 degrees Celsius, marking it the coldest place on the earth. Yes, it is Vostok Station. So, Vostok Station is the coldest place . Its coldest place. Next is receiving an average annual rainfall of 11,873 millimeter in Meghalaya, to rainiest place of the world. This is the rainiest place of the world, and it is Mosram. Mosram. Next comes number 9, and it is at the height of 979 meters, Dash Fall is the world's largest uninterrupted waterfall, and all of you know it's Angel Fall. It's Angel Fall. And number 10, the last one, reaching depth of 220 meters in its lower course, the Dash is the deepest river in the world, and it's Congo. It's Congo. Okay, so Nile or Australia is not the exact answer of any of the particular question. So please write down, learn it, and I will be meeting you in your next class. Thank you.